Hello you guys, this is Tank. Welcome to Denmark Laser. We came here today is Logistic Express Park. So on the right side is truck repair depot. We all know that in the car maintenance there's a lot of rust removal and contamination, oil and the painting, etc. So compared to the traditional cleaning method like sandblasting, dry ice cleaning and some rust removal, so more and more stations they would love to use the laser cleaning. But how it works in real and practical use, in actual work. So we would like to make a serious video and do the real testing for you guys. So if you love our videos, be sure to follow our video and subscribe. So let's go. Today we're cleaning the outer parts, the clutch pressure plate. The equipment we choose is DMK 200 watt pulse laser cleaning machine. The equipment is small, easy to move, easy to operate and has many cleaning patterns. So thanks for watching our video today. So in the next episode, what car components and the workpiece you would love to see, please comment below. So in this truck depot, we can find many components of the truck and the car. So we will show you in the next video. But last but not least, we prepared the parameters of our Denmark laser equipment, so which can show you how to set the parameters and the frequency, so on. If you would love to find out how to more flexible use your equipment, so please comment below as well. So we will send you the parameter tables and the recipes. So I would love to see your comments. See you next time.